potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night.
Guys, today I got myself some pink roses. As you can see, they look all fresh and beautiful. So we are going to be putting them in a vase or vase, depending with who your English teacher was. We are going to be doing that with you. But before we do so, we may engage on the comment section or on the live chat for my Premier gang. How often do you get yourself flowers? That is the fresh flowers, if at all you do so. So as you realize, they are a little bit thorny and they are difficult to hold with the hand. So I will be reducing some of the thorns and the foliage before we can put them in the vase. So let's get on to doing that, guys. So I'll start by removing this outer paper. And because I do not want to put a lot of that on my work surface, I'm going to put some old newspapers on this surface. So these are the flowers. So let's get on to the next process. So as you can see, they are quite thorny and very difficult to hold. So I'll try as much as possible to reduce the thorns. These are the thorns I'm talking about. You may also let me know in the comment section how much are roses, where you buy them. These thorns are hurting me. Hey, I would only want to understand the process of harvesting roses because these thorns, I don't know what kind of I don't know what kind of protective gear these people who harvest the roses wear. You may let me know in the comment section, hey, because these thorns. So I have cleaned the stems. As you can see, I'm now able to hold the stems very comfortably. So I'll go ahead and put my vase with water, and then we'll put the flowers into the vase. Vase or vase, guys. So here is my vase. It's 3/4 way full with water. So as I arrange, so in no particular order, I'll put in my rose stems into the vase. Like that. Just ensuring that all the sides are fully covered. So there are our roses, guys, well arranged in our vase. So I'll just look for a beautiful place to place them in our living room. So for dinner this evening, I will be making us some mackerel fish. Guys, as you may already know from my previous videos, I buy my fish from the city market. So here I had earlier marinated my fish and now I'm deep frying it before we can make them chuzi wanazi or the coconut sauce. So, and on a separate pot, as you can all see, I'm making our baby spinach, which is a rather straightforward process for making any vegetables. So for my coconut sauce, I have added some onions onto the pot. I will allow them to cook until they are soft.
Love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me.
Once my onions are ready, I'm now going to go in with my tomatoes and I will allow them to cook.
Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet and spice. Now that I made a love potion for you. Frozen from your poison.
So as my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to add in some spices. I'm going to add some salt, some garam masala, and some curry powder.
I can't pretend that we're nothing. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. It's getting stronger. Can't take no longer. Walking on fire. I'm getting higher just to feel ya, 'cause I need you. Feels like I'm burning a little bit more, just a little bit more now. Taking the potion just to feel ya, 'cause I need you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. When I love you, God, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're not meant. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. 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 It's getting stronger. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
So once my tomatoes are ready, or rather they are well cooked, I'm going to add in some hot pepper, just one, and I'll allow it to simmer for a little while.
No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison.
So once my tomatoes and hot pepper have been simmering for a while, I will now add in my coconut milk or coconut cream, depending with what you have. And thereafter I will go in with my deep fried fish, and we shall cover before we can serve.
I think I'm overdosing. 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 It's getting stronger. I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. 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 I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice.
Once the coconut milk has been boiling for some while, I'm now going to add my deep fried fish. And having added the deep fried fish, I'm going to add in my garlic. I have some coriander leaves. Then I will cover to allow the fish to soak into the coconut milk for a little while before we can now
You're
serve.
finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight.
And our dinner is now ready, guys. If you have watched until this far, thank you so much for staying until the end. I hope you have learned a thing or two. So, and until our next video, may the Lord bless you and keep you. Goodbye.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're